Alright, so today in Google Sheets, we're going to look at something really simple. We're looking at splitting a string of text in one cell over two. Now, where is this useful? This is useful for teachers in, for example, this is a bunch of class data. So we have two classes here, two science classes. A bunch of class data that I have just copied straight from our database, and they come in as full names. But I might want to auto-generate some emails from this spreadsheet. I might want to produce some reports for the kids from the spreadsheet. There's all sorts of things I could want to do. I might want to use this in my report generator. So to do that, I need to get these names on their own. Also, sometimes it's probably just easier just to run off their last names, whatever. There might be times when I need to get the names on their own. So if I ever need to do that, this is pretty simple. The first thing you have to do is you have to set up, imagine if they've only got the two names here, we have to set up a first name and a surname column. Okay, you do it in whichever order you use it. So if it's surname then first name, that's what you do. In our case, it's first name surname because it goes Buffy Summers, Rupert Giles, Xander Harris, and so forth. So the way we do this in Google Sheets is really simple. We just type equals, split, and then brackets. Now, I like to keep this open, but it gets in the way a little bit, so we can shrink it down. The first thing we need to do is we need to choose our text, which is our A2 cell. We put a comma, so our next argument. The delimiter. So the delimiter is what it is that, what's the point where we're going? This is where we split. They need to be things like commas, spaces, non-text, so they're not letter text. So if we put a space in there, it should work. And we have Buffy Summers, and you see that we have it separated. Now, because it is a Google Sheet, if I just double click on this corner, it will autofill for the rest of the data. And we're done, and we can test. For example, Billy Batson's Billy Batson, Tim Drake is Tim Drake, Samantha Parrington is Samantha Parrington, and yeah, our data's split nice and easily. There are more complicated ways to do it, but Google Sheets is, that's the easy way to do it. If you have any questions, pop in the comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye now.